When are you going to eat it now? Wait!
The whole thing.
All of it, son.
This is what happens when you call it. Called it, didn't do it, you forfeit it.
Come on, you've got to do the lot, mate.
Nah.
You've got to do it. You've got to do it, mate. You've got to do it.
Mate, you start.
You've got to
Start to finish. Halfway there. Fuck off! Halfway there.
Come on, have another bite.
I'm done.
No, you're not done. The cigarette isn't finished.
Fucking disgusting. Don't fuck yourself.
One more bite, we'll let you off.
No, you're nearly done.
Yeah, but that's one big bite. Scotty, that's one big bite.
Scotty,
Big bite.
you just done it. Just do it again. It's done.
We can get some ketchup if you want.
No, that's fucking dirty. Look at that.
Oh well.
Eat it.
Go fuck yourself.
Eat it.
Go fuck yourself.
Scotty, eat the fucking
Go fuck yourself.
Eat the fucking
Go
cigarette.
fuck yourself. Go fuck yourself.
Eat it. Eat it.
How do you not rather eat 5p than 6?
I thought it'd be alright.
You're a fucking idiot. You'd rather eat a cigarette than 5p. You fucking idiot. Why would I put my jumper in?
Fuck off.
Well, I'm done.
Well, it's not done though.
Fuck off.
It's not done, mate. Eat the cigarette. Have one more bite after I've said and let you off.
I can't.
And then we'll concentrate.
I was actually sick.
We'll concentrate on getting you back into
sick.
You weren't sick.
I fucking was.
But you weren't. I didn't see sick, so you weren't. Now you know what they're doing to you. Don't smoke them. You want to eat them though.
If you're watching at home, remember, smoking kills.
It fucking will kill you.
Don't eat cigarettes.
One more bite. One more bite. That's all we're asking you to do.
Unravel it and snort the tobacco.
Hey, a bit more beer, is that possible?